I'm Bart Ehrman, and I'm happy to announce that this summer, May 14th to the 26th, I'll be doing a tour to the Greek islands, giving lectures, enjoying the sights, reveling in the culture, and spending most of my free time with anyone who decides to join me. Are you interested? We're going to start in Athens, and over the course of the trip, we'll be visiting the Cycladic islands of Tinos, Paros, and Antiparos. We'll end up in Crete, home of the Minoan civilization that predates every other Western civilization. As you know, these islands have stunningly gorgeous landscapes and seascapes, incredibly beautiful villages and towns, museums, monasteries, churches, archaeological sites, and Minoan art. Most people see these things only in books and museums. We'll see them up close and in person. I can't tell you how excited I am. On the trip, I'll be lecturing on the Greek philosophers and the Apostle Paul. That may sound a little highbrow, but it's not. My talks will be based on my forthcoming book, Stranger Love: How the Teachings of Jesus Transformed the Conscience of the West. In my talks, I'll explain how, in the civilizations that underlie our Western world, ancient Greece and Rome, people understood what it meant to lead ethical lives and why they should do so. I'll then reflect on how later Christians changed ethical thinking in significant ways, so that people in the Western world today understand somewhat differently what it means to be good and to live well. One of my ultimate goals is to consider lessons from the ancient world that can help us find satisfying and fulfilling lives today. When I'm not lecturing, I'll be living the good life myself, with you, my fellow travelers, joining the activities, enjoying the sights, discussing whatever strikes our mutual fancy, answering questions, eating great food, drinking great drink, and generally having an amazing time. It simply doesn't get any better than this. I hope you can join me.